Manufactured by Otomu, the Boba gum is Gazzew's linear counterpart to their popular silent tactile, the Boba U4. The Boba gums are available in 52, 62, and 68 gram spring weightings and come with either a transparent or pink top housing. They are PCB mount, so if you're putting them into a hot swap board, it will need 5-pin support. To purchase these, you can visit Gazzew's site to find your nearest vendor. Like many switch makers, Gazzew won't disclose the exact mold of plastic they use. The Boba gums use the same mix that other Gazzew switches use, which means that the tolerance is pretty tight. At about 60 Freedom dollars for a pack of 90, which fits a TKL, the price comes out to about 67 cents per switch. The silencing mechanism on these is fairly standard for MX style switches. There are rubber nubs implanted on the sliders of the stem, which dampens the impact on both the downstroke and the upstroke. While the rubber greatly reduces noise output, it does make the keys feel a bit mushy. It's nowhere near as mushy as your typical membrane keyboard with cheap rubber domes, but if the idea of this turns you off in the slightest, then you might want to opt for the tactiles or just avoid silent switches. Stock, the switches are a bit scratchy. While not the smoothest, I do like this slightly raspy sound. It reminds me of Topra, although without the tactility. There's a bit of spring ping, but it's so minimal that I actually wasn't really able to record it. So if you do want the fully silenced approach, I would probably lube these. I have these switches in a Gamakay K87, and the overall noise output from the board is not that much. Honestly, the loudest sounds are coming from desk vibration and my fingernails hitting the keycaps. I'm pretty content with these. The color is a little bodacious, but as far as silent linears go, you can't really go wrong here. It sits comfortably in a price tier between cheaper silent options like Cherry and Gateron silent reds and more expensive ones like Silent Inks and the ZLPC offerings. For its intended purpose, which is to reduce typing sounds, it does the job, even without any modifications. Thank you for watching.